Introducing Valantina, a local creator suite for Windows. Make things on your own computer. AI that writes code, draws, sings, and edits from a folder that you own. One Windows app, 15 tabs, 0 cloud, and every one of them runs on your consumer GPU. 4 local chat brains, quick reasoning code and roleplay. You can create images, songs, and voices. Generate it, then cut it. The video is yours to keep forever. Edit it like you mean it. A layer-based photo editor and a screen recorder built into the app. You have role-playing personas that persist. 50 gigabytes of knowledge through Wikipedia, no internet. And an agent mode that works in the open. Where does your work go? Nowhere. Your work never leaves your computer or touches any server that you don't want it to. Private, local, yours. One-time payment of $99 USD. No subscription, no credits, no seats, no limits. This is Valantina. Download once, create forever.